welcome back to my channel. I'm coming with another very popular video. This is an updated routine of my drugstore slash affordable makeup routine. So this look is kind of like very soft, very neutral. It's very easy. I used like 2 colors, but all the makeup that I'm using is all new and I haven't ever like tried it before. So like I tried different brands like CoverGirl, Black Radiance. Like I just tried a couple things from their lines that I've never used before. Also, just wanted to say something that's really exciting is that I got a new cat. Say hi, Roman. Hi. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Joined the fam. But yeah, we're gonna just get right into it. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush up my brows and I'm gonna use my Got To Be Glued to just slick my eyebrows down before I fill them in. And I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder to remove the shine and like any oil that's left on my brows. So the pencil I'm using is CoverGirl Draw and Fill pencil, and I think this color is like dark brown. I really did love the color payout. It wasn't too dark, it wasn't too light, and I would definitely recommend it. So to conceal my brows, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Yellow Corrector and my Tarte Shape Tape Minis. When I found these, I was super hyped, y'all, because I wanted to try a couple different Tarte shades, but I didn't feel like buying the big ones, and this was like the perfect bargain. So I'm using my e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer, and I heard really good things about this, that it controls breakouts, and I'm also going to just set my face in the areas where I get a little oily before I put on my foundation. So for my base, I'm using the CoverGirl Matte Made Foundation in D30, and I heard so many good things about this foundation, and I was really excited to try it, and I was not disappointed. For my concealer, I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer and also using my Tarte Shape Tape to brighten my under eyes just a little bit more. To set my face, I'm using the Black Radiance setting powder, and this might be another one of my favorites. It was super easy to dust off. It was so fine that it was like getting in my nose, and it gave me zero flashback, and like it was affordable. Like what more can you ask for? So y'all know I had to bring back my busted up Morphe palette to contour my face. So I'm using my 2 deep brown shades, and I'm just doing my cheeks, my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. Now moving on to eyes, I'm using all palettes from Juvia's Place. These are their mini palettes. I'm using my nude palette to kind of work on a little transition, and then I'm using my chocolate palette to deepen it up just a little bit more. Then I'm going to dip back into my nude palette, put a little white base on my lids, and kind of keep it very soft. Sadly, I don't know where these lashes are from because I keep them in my Morphe lash book, but I will link an affordable pair that I always use in the description box. So for my blush, I'm using my Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and I'm also using this Fit Me blush from Maybelline, and I really love this shade because it reminded me of my Chanel blush, which I really love. And I'm also using the Maybelline Fit Me bronzer to just finish up my face, and from here on it's super self-explanatory, so I'm gonna just shut up and let y'all watch the rest of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I got a lot of good feedback on my last drugstore video, so I'm hoping you guys like these new products and like, you know, trying like a different look, still keeping it neutral. Maybe next time I'll do like a colorful drugstore look. I think that would be pretty good. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.